Our question was, how many colleges did you apply to? And using our data collection method of voluntary responses, since we asked voluntary seniors to respond to our question, we can use the data collected from these volunteer seniors to find the measures of central tendency, otherwise known as mid-range, mean, median, and mode. To find the mid-range, you're going to take the lowest value, which is 0, and add it to the highest value, which is 16, and divide it by 2, which equals 8. To find the mean, you're going to take all of the numbers given, and you're going to add them together, and when you do that, you get 467, and you divide that by the number of responses given, which would be 100, which equals 4.67. To find the median, you're going to take the lowest value and the highest value and keep crossing them off until you get the very middle. So when you cross out all the numbers, you find that the middle number is 4, which equals the median. To find the mode, you find the most reoccurring number in the data set, which would also be 4. And there you have it.
Alright, so the range is the max number, which is 16, minus our min number, which is 0, which is going to give you 16. So our Q2 is the median, which is 4. And then in order to find the Q1, it's the median of the first section before the median that we just got. So I've already started crossing some of them out. And after you cross out the rest of them, you're going to get that the Q1 is going to be 3. And then you're going to do the same thing for Q3. You're going to cross out everything after the median. I've already started crossing some of them out. And you're going to get that the Q3 is 6. And the IQR is Q3 minus Q1. And that is going to be 6 minus 3, so you're just going to get 3. And that's it.
So the variance is the average square deviation from the mean of a set of data. It's used to find the standard deviation. We found the mean, and the mean was 4.67. And then for an example of what we did, so one college minus 4.67, which is the mean, equals negative 3.76. And then you have that number, so negative 3.76. And then we timesed it by 6 because that was the number of people that applied to one college. And that was 22.02. And then you have to square each deviation. So we squared it, which equals 484.88. And then you divide the total by the number of that. So square root of 35.153 is 5.929. And that's the standard deviation.
ThinkPad. So we use the histogram to display our data of how many colleges that seniors at Panther Creek applied to. So on the y-axis we have number of students, and then on the x we have number of colleges that they actually applied to. And our graph is not a normally distributed curve because the mean, median, and mode are not the same. So there you have it.
This is the amount of colleges students applied to. This number is how many students applied to the amount of colleges. So to 0 amount of colleges, 2 kids applied to 0 amount of colleges. And this is when you subtract the mean from each value, and then you square that, and then you get this number. So negative 9.34 squared is 87.24.